Ask people how was their first experience. A lady took him to an hotel, paid for the rooms, and that was how he lost his V card. Finally, some people after this experience, they become wild. They've opened up a part of them that should have never been opened at that early stage. Ensure that when you're ready to do that, you're doing it with somebody that you love, somebody that you feel comfortable sharing your body, your soul, and spirit with. So this particular video is addressing teenagers or young people out there that are still currently emerging right now. Okay, so looking at how the economy is with trend and the high rise of different forms of sexual orientation, things like these are gradually watering down. So I would like to say, dear you youngster that you're still currently virgin right now, I don't want you to see it as a situation where you feel ashamed of, or you feel my friends are doing it and I'm not yet doing it, or you feel like you're not man enough or you're not woman enough because of the fact that you are not sexually active. Okay, let me share a scenario with you. I remembered one time when I was talking with a colleague. So there was a way he described the act. If you are there at that point in time, you most likely feel, oh, when you get home, you are going to look for the nearest man to get laid down with. So I'm still trying to say to you, the advantage outweighs the disadvantage. I just feel it helps you sort of focus with your life. It helps you sort of at this point. That's what I'm saying. This video, I'm addressing this video directly to teenagers. You're within the age of 18, 17, 16, 15 to most likely 24, 25. 25 is not a teenager actually, but you're still quite young, trying to figure out life. I've seen situations where, especially having sex on time has led to teenage pregnancy. A lot of young girls out there now, they have children at an early stage. They become mothers even when they are not prepared. They are not mentally ready for the journey motherhood brings. They were never prepared. They never saw it coming. While enjoying that temporary relief, it's brought bettered a child into this world. So imagine that kind of parents. What are you expecting the child to turn out? Some parents, some of those people even end up eating those children because they feel like those children brought took their life backwards and things in that light. So there you watching me right now and you're still a virgin. You are doing the right thing. You are take it from me. There is no rush in these things. And even those that are currently having sex, there's after that, how many minutes, how many seconds? It's all over. And see, take I don't know if this can be like a survey, but ask people how was their first experience. Most of them that you will ask, they most likely have a very horrible bad experience because the moment they remember who they lost their vicar to their hand reader, how can it be that kind of person? For God's sake, God, no way. They feel angry about it. So I would say that you doing it at the right time, especially when you are most likely doing it when you're married, is the best time because you're ready mentally, physically, spiritually, financially. You are ready for all that it takes. And additionally, you are doing it with the person you feel, yes, I will not have regret. I won't look back a few years back and feel, I wish I never did this. I wish I never did that. Someone shared with me, said a lady took him to an hotel, paid for the rooms, and that was how he lost his V card. And he was like, the lady is a big lady, she has a car and things like that. And I was like, how did you feel? Said, not a big deal. Just like that. Some people even have this disgust when they are done with it, like, oh, so this is actually what the first experience looked like, and they just feel so dirty, they feel so angry, they just hate their. Actually, some people after this experience, they become wild. They just go to the extreme. They anything in different colors, size, shape. They've their mind is becomes extremely wild, uncontrollable. It's as if they've opened up a part of them that should have never been opened at that early stage. So please, if you're watching this video right now and you've most likely not had sex, I don't know your reason right now, but I'll tell you that you're doing the right thing. Ensure that when you're ready to do that, you're doing it with somebody that you love, somebody that you feel comfortable sharing your body, your soul, and spirit with, not just any kind of random person, and not just you doing it because of peer pressure or you wanting to feel among, or just want to have the status that yes, I've also done it. Not a medal or anything. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please well to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.